Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. My little designs on here are a little wonky, but it's okay. I'm trying. And you just go ahead, you put the glue wherever you want to place your rhinestones. And yeah, it's pretty simple. I'm making it so messy. Oh my god. That's because I don't have my tripod and I have my little best friend holding the camera, and it's really awkward right now because I'm trying to like hurry up. So you take some of that glue. You could just put the little tweezers in the glue. It'll help you pick up the rhinestones, and then you just place the rhinestones like so. Can't see. And like me, don't put too much glue, cause then it'll look so crazy. But like I said, working on it. With time, things will get better. Um, let me see. Hmm. I think I want to put another one over here somewhere. I will give you guys a better tutorial at some point because this is so random. Um, I just was, you know, like why not? I'm about to do my nails so I can record, and then I guess I'm gonna put this one right here. Hold on, y'all. Sometimes they get stuck together. And I think that's good. We're gonna leave that like that. So here I'm just showing you guys how I lay the rhinestones across my nail with this rhinestone glue. It's not that deep, girl. Just however you want your design, however you want your rhinestones laid, put that glue on your nail, lay your gems, and just make sure you put the nail glue on top of it. That works for me. These rhinestones don't move at all. Put the rhinestone glue and put the nail glue over it. It's simple, easy, quick. It really works for me. And I hope that if you guys are looking for a new method or something to lay your rhinestones, it works for you. I really do hope it works for you. I just want to throw this in there. I will give you guys a better detailed nail video. But like I said, I wanted to quick throw this up because I was doing my nails and I'm like, a couple of people asked me to do a nail video. This is probably not what you guys were asking for exactly, but I tried. I promise the other one will be more detailed. Promise. Okay, so you guys seen how I put those on, and then all you do is take the nail glue and like go over it. Really quick, if you're a beginner and you're thinking about starting to do this, you definitely need a nail dryer. You are not going to be able to do anything without the nail dryer, especially with rhinestones and gems. I usually dry my nails for about 2 minutes and I'm all good. The products that I used came from Dollar Tree and Amazon. So all of the polish came from Dollar Tree, and the rhinestone glue, the tweezers, the nail glue, the cuticle oil, it all came from Amazon. Even my nail dryer, it came from Amazon. Whatever I do my nails with normally comes from Amazon or Dollar Tree, because I am not a pro at this, of course. It's really fun. It's like a hobby. I love long nails. I like to do my nails, and I don't want to break the bank. That's the biggest thing. So as you can see, my cuticle oil is empty. It's spilled out in my nail box. I have to get some more of that. It is great. It's so good. It smells so good. But I hope you guys liked my nails.